If your cabinet doors are peeling like this, don't panic. You don't have to replace them. The coating that's peeling is called Thermofoil, and it was super popular back in the 90s and early 2000s. It's just a plastic layer that was heat wrapped onto the door and drawer fronts. And unfortunately, once it starts peeling, there's really just no saving it. But the good news is you can remove it completely with just a heat gun. Or if you don't have one of those, you can use your hairdryer on the hottest setting. It will just take a little longer. What you do is just apply heat, start around the edges, and get that thermofoil loosening up on the edges of your door and drawer fronts, and then go right onto the fronts. This is the best part, watching it delaminate and peel off of there. Again, it's only the door fronts and the drawer fronts that you have to do this to. The rest of it you can just paint as is. Wait for it. This is so satisfying. Hold on. Look at that. That's so awesome. What you're left with is just an MDF door or drawer front, and you can just paint those with our paint. Use our resin paint. It's an all-in-one resin-infused acrylic paint, probably 2 to 3 coats to cover it up. Most of these doors are brown, not green, but you just paint right over it, get it all sealed up, and then apply a coat or 2 of our Tuff top just for extra durability in your kitchen or bathroom. It's so easy and you're gonna love it. Comment PEEL, P-E-E-L, and we'll send you the full tutorial for removing the